Are you ready for the December Mani by Me box? Because we're getting right into it. This is the design card that came with it. Didn't like it, skipped it, but we are going to do the chrome stamping because it's really fun. The first color is Retrograde. It is a duochrome blue. You will definitely hear my opinion on that later. Sticky Black. Very excited about this. The bonus item is a chrome powder called Sunshine. It is a very small container. That's a standard eyeshadow applicator, and they don't fill it up all the way. This is sold by weight, not by volume. So you need to be prepared for that if you buy that from them. I actually get mine from Born Pretty on Amazon. I'll link it below for you. They're a lot cheaper and they're nice. Really kind of like these plates. The more I looked at them, the more I was like, there's stuff I could do. I'm a Cancer, so we're going to do the Cancer stuff. But look, this has Earth, Air, Fire, and Water. So you could do elementals. You could do the band Earth, Air, Fire, and Water, for those of you who are old enough to know who that is. You know, there's a lot more you could do with this than it initially looks at when you just go, oh, it's astrology. So my nails are in a mood. The last of that damage hit my nail tips at the same time it started to get cold here. My nails do not like being cold. They tend to chip and split like crazy when it's cold outside. No matter how much oil, no matter what I do, they just get moody. So they got trimmed off and we're going to start a little regrow. But they are long enough to still do some cute designs with these plates, which I was very impressed with. So for chrome powder, you want to use an old stamper. You can see this one is cloudy. It's cloudy because I've used it for that before, and I've spilled acetone on it and got it stuck on my background. So this one has been used and abused. But good job, Maniology, because I keep trying to break the back out of it, and it won't come out. So I can't break it. Good job on that. One of the things I do like about these constellation designs is that the water signs have seashells, the fire signs have suns, the earth signs have flowers. So I thought that was a really cute little touch, not just to help you find your star sign, constellation-wise, but just in general, it's cute. So once you stamp the chrome powder, what you do is you rub the chrome powder on, you stamp like normal, and then just stamp it down on your nail. I went in with an e.l.f. concealer brush, dusted off the excess chrome powder, and just moved on. I'm sorry that got off screen a little bit. I fix it here because we want to do the crab the same way. There's chrome powder. We're going to roll to pick him up. I'm sorry you can't see this. I had to do it from this angle so I could see to put him down. But you just stamp straight down. You would think it leaves a whole lot behind, and it really doesn't. You just a little quick dust, and it makes it even more shiny and takes off the excess. Super cute. Make sure you top coat. Some people say you have to do a water-based top coat. Some don't. I never have, and it's always been fine. This top coat is a new top coat from Maniology. It is a linear holographic top coat. Sorry, not sorry. I like it better than Simply Nailogicals. Hers turns things really gray when you put it on top, and this does not. I know it looks like it right now in this video, but wait till you see the picture at the end. It's so pretty. And surprise, I'm doing a long nail tip too because I'm a little sad that I don't have long nails right now. So I thought it would be fun to kind of add this in for those who do have long nails. Different designs you could also do with long nails. And I do have an announcement at the end of the video that you do not want to miss, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Retrograde, I did 2 coats on the nail where you can still see the sticky tack that's holding it onto the holder. I don't like this polish at all. I tried it over black just to see how I would like it, and it's very similar to, I think it's Gretel Brittle from, I think it's the it's a night collection, like Grimm's Nightfall, that's it. I don't like it. Gretel Brittle is very similar, only Gretel Brittle actually looks pretty on your bare nail too, whereas that's just very see-through. That's 3 coats. I don't like doing 3 coats. It's just not my favorite. It does stamp okay. One of the seashells didn't pick up, and I'm going to zoom in and show you that here in just a second. I mean, if you like iridescent polishes, you may love this. I am not a huge fan of iridescence, and it does stamp okay. You know, some of the seashell, like I said, didn't show up on the side there, right there. And that's the thing I didn't like, is it was hard to tell on the stamper because it was so clear on the stamper that it was really hard to tell. Now the next thing I'm going to do is grab this girl here. She's also on the Cancer symbol. She's super cute, but when I stamped her with the chrome, she looked fine when I picked it up. When I stamped it down, it turned into this big blobby mess of crap. It's the design on the stamper. She has her eyes closed and her eyelashes stick down. And then she has these 2 big spots on her cheeks where I think it's supposed to be blush. And it just looks like a mess. It looks messy. So even after I got most of the extra chrome powder off, I still wasn't very happy with it. So you're going to see something that I talk about all the time, but I've never actually done for you guys on this channel, which is how to fix something that you do that you don't like. You have to put top coat in between your layers for this to work. So I top coated, let it dry, and I just grabbed straight up black because I thought, okay, well, if it's kind of blobby, I'll just line it back up and stamp the details back on. And that made it worse, which happens sometimes. So because I have a top coat on, this is an old eyeliner brush from an Ipsy box that I promptly canceled after because I was annoyed that they sent me 3 out of 5 things I told them I didn't want. So I was able to go through and take most of that excess black off, and it let some of those details show back up. So I really liked how that ended up at the end, but it's still kind of just a mess. So Retrograde is really light. Don't care for it. You can get Gretel Brittle from the Grim Nightfall collection. It's better, but look at this Holo. It's so pretty. I know it's not in the box, but I don't care. It's pretty. And if you look at this, the girl one, it looks worse the closer you get to it. It looks better from a distance than it does up close. She would probably be really cute and not stamped with the chrome powder. But overall, it's okay. I like the concept regardless. So, special announcement. Starting Monday, we're doing 12 Days of Christmas every day. Every day. Get ready. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.